A healthy, crispy, and delicious salmon recipe that's oh so easy to make. If starting with uncooked rice, prepare according to package directions. Combine rice vinegar, sweetener, and salt in the microwave until it dissolves. Add it to the rice and fully combine. Line a small baking sheet with baking paper and spread the rice until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Cover with more baking paper and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. In a bowl, combine salmon, coconut aminos, sesame oil, rice vinegar, sriracha, Greek yogurt, green onions, and sesame seeds. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Remove rice from the freezer and cut in 2x 1-inch rectangles. Spray the rectangles with cooking spray and bake until golden brown. Serve the rice with the salmon and top with avocado and sesame seeds.